It was a dark and stormy night.
What are you reading, Paul?
The life and adventures of the celebrated Richard Turpin.
He thought the book proffered might do as well, and thrusting it into his ample pocket, he strode away with as rapid a motion as the wind and rain would allow. Mr. Augustus Tomlinson left word that he was off to a lucrative situation in the north of England. He simply disappeared. When the moon shimmered through the boughs that night, as she came slowly forth from her pavilion of cloud, she poured a broader beam on a figure on horseback, just advanced beyond the trees. Who wouldn't choose a double life?